On this Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted applications on your Android phone. So just locate the Google Play Store so you can see it right here. Just choose this. Go to Games in the bottom left. Choose your profile icon in the top right. Then go to Manage Apps and Device right there. So you can see it is the first option. Manage Apps and Device. Choose this. Then go to Manage on the top. You see Overview, Manage. So here's all the different applications currently installed. Go to this device. Going down to not installed. Okay, so these are all the applications I've downloaded on my account at one point in time. And it might be a little bit random and you might have a lot of them. So just go to the top right to name and go to recently updated. Now you're going to see like all the recent apps. So let's say you downloaded an app on your other phone right here. Well, it's going to show up under this list. So like this calculator thing that was completely useless is on there. Digital Compass, App Lock. I just downloaded that on my Samsung phone. So you can just go through this list and just see the most recent ones. And here's Smart Printer, print documents, okay. So let's just choose one of these. Something that's not useless. So TCL channel, not sure what that is. CC Cleaner. So you can just choose something, and then there's an option to download in the top right. So you can just download it. Now it's going to be under your installed list. So if you were to go back this device, you should be able to see it under this list now when it downloads. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.